Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to download Amanda the Adventurer on PC. Now let's just search in here for Amanda the Adventurer and press on download. So you can see we have Amanda the Adventurer on Steam. So for this you're going to be making a Steam account and then you will be able to download this game. So you can see it is for 8.99 USD. So if you want to spend that money you can do that, but if you do not want to do, what you can do is simply head over to the website called Ocean of Games and enter that, and you can see we have Ocean of Games in here. And now we are simply going to be copying the name of this game and entering that in this chat, and you'll be able to see that yeah, it is not available on Ocean of Games. So this means that you have to download it from Steam, and that's the only way if you want to play Amanda the Adventurer on PC. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.